How to clear recents on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bibin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can clear your recent or clear recent searches on Snapchat. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through this video. You want to simply open up your Snapchat. You should get an interface like this. Now if you have made any searches, if you tap on the search bar at the top, you'll be able to see your recents down below. Now after the update, you'll get the clear all option that you can see beside here at the right hand side of the screen. If you just tap on it, you can see clear recents option popping up. If you just tap on clear, your recent searches will be cleared. So this is one of the way you can clear your recents. The other way is you want to tap on the profile at the top left corner and you want to head into your profile. Once on profile, you want to tap on settings and head into settings. Under settings, you want to scroll down here all the way below until you find the option clear your recent searches. You can see clear search history. Simply tap on it and it'll ask you, do you want to clear your search query history? Simply tap on clear and it'll be cleared. So these are the ways, or these are the ways you can clear recent searches on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.